Gentle. Good, 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 good. Oh. It's their favorite thing to do. Play with Oliver.
Play with her big brother.
You want to get me a new laptop?
Whoa. I thought you were getting a phone.
The phone's free.
It's all we can afford, Steph.
We haven't
Phone's free.
we haven't committed on the phone yet.
Tell me I should get blue. I don't want blue. I can get silver.
What's wrong with your computer?
Computer's fine.
Okay, she knows.
Ah! keep your eye on him though.
Let go, Ollie.
Oliver. He's good with the surrender holds, isn't he?
Let go. Good boys. Oh. Being so good with her.
I know he is.
Whoa. Oh, that hurt her.
Be nice, Oliver. Be nice.
Whoa.
King of the bed.
He takes a lot of abuse.
He does. Uh-oh. She's not going to kick you out, is she, Oliver?
This is a game. You rough her up. Whoa, watch the ball. You riled her up. Ooh.
Positions are useless.
Okay, gentle, both of you, gentle, gentle. Gentle, Ollie. Gentle, Oliver. Okay. Hi, Dax.
Wild woman.
Whoa.
She's being kicked out to the 3.
Yep. Ah! Oh, Ollie.
More exercise than Oliver's gotten in a long time.
Ollie.
She will not be denied. These are useless positions.
Hi, Jensen, why don't you go play? Lucy.
We're filming this for 5 minutes. Oops.
Okay, enough. Go night night.
No.
No, they're still at it. Nobody's getting hurt.
He was getting hurt yesterday. Nobody was telling her to stop.
Well, I figured she could.
Whoops.
All right, Ollie, enough. Both of you. Stop. Stop. Lucy, stop. Lucille. She's a wild woman, Ollie. Whoa.
Did it again.
Is this king of the bed?
This is king of the bed. Or queen of the bed, however you want to look at it.
Okay, she's in position.
Ouch.
All right,
That
guys.
was on Oliver's head. Ow.
Oh, Ollie. Wait, that you weigh so much more than her.
She's gonna toughen her up though.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.